What is up, Electro Drive Nation? Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the hottest stories shaking up the EV world. We're diving deep into NIO's incredible stock surge across both Hong Kong and U.S. markets, signaling a major boost in investor confidence. You do not want to miss this. But the drama doesn't stop there. We're uncovering the fiery rivalry heating up between NIO and Li Auto, with accusations of online attacks flying. Who's behind the smear campaigns? And what's going on with NIO stock right now? We've got the latest on its performance amidst market shifts, including a significant capital raise and strong delivery numbers. Is it a buy or a sell? Plus, get the inside scoop on why NIO's stock took an unexpected turn this week. Hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and let's get charged up. NIO stock ignites the market. Get ready for some electrifying news, because NIO stock just delivered a knockout performance, surging across both Hong Kong and U.S. markets. This isn't just a small bump. We're talking nearly 6% gains in Hong Kong and over 4% in the U.S., signaling a powerful wave of renewed investor confidence in Chinese EV stocks. This surge is fueled by a potent mix of supportive government policies and impressive technical breakouts that have traders buzzing. On the U.S. front, NIO shares finally shattered key resistance levels, with critical moving averages now flipping to support around the $6.40 to $6.48 mark. The relative strength index is climbing, indicating plenty of room for upward movement before hitting overbought territory. Meanwhile, in Hong Kong, the trading action was even more compelling. Significant trading volume and a healthy volume ratio point to strong institutional participation, with shares bouncing back convincingly from recent lows. This dual market strength isn't just a coincidence. It's a clear sign that the sentiment around Chinese EV stocks is shifting positively. The confluence of government backing and solid technical momentum has created what many analysts are calling a perfect setup for sustained gains. If NIO can maintain its upward trajectory above $6.50 in the U.S., and HK $51.00 in Hong Kong, the next target could be a significant jump towards $7.50. Investors and enthusiasts are celebrating this massive upward swing, with many anticipating further growth. The market is reacting positively to the news, seeing it as a strong indicator of NIO's resilience and future potential in the competitive EV landscape. But can NIO maintain this incredible momentum? Stay tuned as we dive into the escalating rivalry between NIO and Li Auto next. EV rivalry heats up, NIO and Li Auto in online showdown. The competition in the electric vehicle sector is getting personal. Shanghai-based NIO and Beijing-based Li Auto are escalating their rivalry, especially as NIO rolls out new SUVs designed to challenge Li Auto's top sellers. The latest drama unfolded on social media, where NIO executive Fei Shen publicly pushed back against claims from a Li Auto salesperson, suggesting that customers were canceling pre-orders for NIO's new L90 SUV. Shen firmly stated that L90 orders remain robust, countering the narrative of faltering demand. This exchange comes at a critical time, as Li Auto quickly adjusted pricing and configurations for its L8 SUV, a direct competitor to NIO's L90, shortly after its launch. Adding fuel to the fire, a Weibo user warned NIO's head of user operations, Yang Bo, that numerous Li Auto sales staff were allegedly orchestrating smear campaigns and flooding online comment sections with hostile remarks after test drives. Yang Bo confirmed that NIO is indeed monitoring these online attacks, highlighting the intense competitive landscape. This simmering tension surfaces as NIO prepares to launch its third-generation ES8 SUV. The company has already begun nationwide shipments of the 6- and 7-seat model to showrooms, with customer deliveries set to commence shortly after its official debut. Founder and CEO William Li expressed confidence that production is ramping up to meet demand. Early estimates suggest pre-orders for the ES8 may have already surpassed 30,000 units. The ES8 Executive Premium Edition is priced competitively, with options for outright purchase or a battery-as-a-service subscription model. The online community is abuzz with the escalating feud, with many watching to see how NIO and Li Auto navigate this increasingly aggressive competitive environment. Analysts are noting the strategic product launches and competitive maneuvers as key indicators of the evolving EV market dynamics. Will NIO's new ES8 dominate the market despite the online battles? We're breaking down NIO's stock performance next. NIO stock rebounds amidst market volatility. NIO Inc. Shares are showing renewed strength this Monday morning, staging a comeback after a period of volatility. Last week, the stock experienced a downturn following the announcement of a significant $1 billion equity offering aimed at bolstering research and development, expanding its battery swapping network, and fortifying its financial position. However, this recent upward movement appears to be supported by a string of positive operational updates, including record-breaking August deliveries and an optimistic delivery forecast for the third quarter. Earlier this month, NIO reported strong second-quarter earnings and revealed impressive August delivery numbers, showing a substantial 55.2% year-over-year increase. Beyond the financial maneuvers, the company also extended a partnership with Czech Group to enhance insurance services as production scales up. According to ElectroDrive News Edge rankings, NIO stock exhibits a positive price trend across all time frames and boasts a strong momentum score of 70.38, indicating healthy market sentiment. Currently trading higher, NIO shares are well within their 52-week range, with analysts pointing to upcoming product launches and revised profit forecasts as potential drivers for future stock price growth. The market's reaction underscores the ongoing investor interest in NIO's strategic initiatives and its position within the competitive EV landscape. But what exactly caused that unexpected dip last week? We're analyzing the factors behind NIO's surprising stock turn next. NIO's strategic offering, a bold move for the future. NIO Inc.'s stock recently experienced an unexpected downturn, primarily triggered by the announcement of a $1 billion equity offering. This move, while strategic for bolstering research and development and expanding its charging infrastructure in the fiercely competitive electric vehicle market, was anticipated to cause an equity dilution of approximately 8–9%. The timing of this announcement, shortly after a positive earnings report, caught many by surprise and contributed to the stock's volatility. Despite this short-term setback, the overall sentiment among analysts remains cautiously optimistic about NIO's long-term prospects. Key factors supporting this outlook include upcoming product launches, which are expected to drive future sales, and revised profit forecasts that suggest a potential for significant stock price appreciation. The company's year-to-date price performance stands at a respectable 36.7%, with strong average trading volumes and a positive technical sentiment signal. This strategic capital injection is viewed as a necessary step for NIO to maintain its competitive edge and continue its growth trajectory in the rapidly evolving EV industry. The market is closely watching how these investments will translate into future performance and shareholder value. That's all the news for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more electrifying updates. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying news. NIO's stock surged, showing massive investor confidence. The rivalry between NIO and Li Auto is heating up with online battles. NIO's stock is showing resilience amidst market shifts, and we've analyzed that unexpected turn. Don't miss out on any of the action. Smash that like button, subscribe to ElectroDrive News for all your EV updates, ring that notification bell so you never miss a video, drop a comment below with your thoughts on these stories, and give us a follow on all our social media channels. Stay charged.